Alright, so I'm gonna open up all these epic blocks to see what I get. Alright, let's try. Wait, I actually think I need that. Bro, I got so many of those. Ooh. Alright. And the last one. Ooh. Okay. Alright, well, I got enough to fuse up to this mythic, but this idiot forgot to record.
My bad.
Alright. Hey, thank you for watching. We got a community in meta. It's called HeroXHero. Both H's are capitalized. We just like grind and do other stuff. So make sure to join that. Thank you for watching.